Hello everyone, this is Alan here from Ultra International. Listen, you've heard people say the best way to financial security is to go to college, get a job, climb the ladder, right? And by that, I mean you give up most of your freedom to a soulless corporation. Too often are stuck doing work that isn't meaningful to you. Okay, I want to give you some very useful career advice now. Ready? Come closer, here it is. Ignore these people. And more importantly, never depend completely on an employer again. It doesn't matter what your background is. You can start working for yourself from home. Now, let's say you think starting your own home business is doable after all. Maybe you're even a little excited. Here's what I'm talking about: www.myui.com/betterhelth for you. But then the doubts creep in. You think you don't have enough computer skills. You fear you'll fall flat on your face. You don't have any money up front to invest in your business. Stop right there. Okay, most people would tell you to put your dream on hold until you are more secure. Listen, this approach will not work. Here's why that approach won't work. What happens is that there's never a perfect time to take the plunge and start your own business. In other words, you think financial freedom is something for other people and that you just have to suck it up until retirement. Fortunately, this mindset is easy to fix. All you have to do is, 1. Become an Ultra International member. 2. Get plenty of free training and support. You can learn more about it here, www.myui.com/betterhelth for you. Listen to this part carefully. With a little effort, your home business will take off and lead you to financial freedom. If it doesn't, you don't lose a thing because there's almost no upfront investment. Here's the full scoop: www.myui.com/betterhelth for you. You have nothing to lose by trying this. You'll be glad you did. I guarantee it. www.myui.com/betterhelth for you. That's myui.com. Better Health for the number 4. You sincerely, Alan Chinkers.